Cars built to last 500,000 miles. Cars used to be fairly simple machines. All you needed was a set of seats, an engine, and 4 wheels to feel comfortable. But over time, cars have become increasingly complex. New technologies started incorporating things like multimedia systems, driver assistance features, countless gadgets, intricate components, and much more. Yet, how many people have actually wondered, are there cars capable of lasting 500,000 kilometers? After all, adding complexity logically should increase the number of potential issues, right? Well, technically, no. In reality, there are plenty of cars that will serve you reliably for a very, very long time. In this list, we promise to showcase not just impressive longevity, nearly 500,000 kilometers, but also comfort and durability. So, let's get to know these hardy crossovers. 11. Honda CR-V. That trusty 2.4L engine and 5-speed transmission. Bulletproof. Over 1% of CR versus hit 300,000 miles in that survey of 15.8 million used cars. Expect 30 miles per gallon highway, zippy acceleration, and a cabin that'll outlast your kids' college years. With proper care. 500,000 miles is doable, maybe even 800,000. 10. Ford Expedition. Need a tank for your big family? 5.2% of used Expeditions sold had 200,000 plus miles, with many pushing past 300,000. The body-on-frame construction and optional 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 laugh at potholes. Just avoid the air suspension on fancy trims. 9. GMC Yukon. Luxury meets workhorse. The 5.3-liter V8, or optional 6.2-liter, in these SUVs regularly sees 300,000 miles. 3.2% of used Yukons hit that magic number. Pro tip, skip the Denali's frills if you want maximum longevity. 8. Chevrolet Suburban. The ultimate road trip machine. Nearly 5% of used Suburbans hit 300,000 miles, with some legends crossing 400,000. That 5.3-liter V8. Basically immortal. Just budget for gas, you'll be buying lots. 7. Toyota Land Cruiser. The 500,000-mile king. These $90,000 beasts regularly outlive their payments. That 5.7-liter V8. Overbuilt like a bank vault. Fun fact, 70% of all Land Cruisers ever made are still running today. 6. Acura RDX, 2010. Honda's luxury arm nailed it. Early RDX models with the 2.3-liter turbo are hitting 500 to 800,000 miles. Just change the timing belt every 90,000 miles. 5. Lincoln Navigator. Fancy Ford toughness. The Navigator's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 can surprisingly handle 400,000 miles, if you maintain it. 2.6% of used models prove it. 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Yes, a hybrid. That 2.4-liter 4-cylinder plus electric motor combo lasts forever. 3.8% of used Highlander hybrids hit 300,000 miles. Battery replacements. Rare before 250,000 miles. 3. Chevrolet Tahoe. Suburban's shorter twin. 3.9% of used Tahoes had 400,000 plus miles. The secret? That same indestructible 5.3-liter V8. 2. Toyota 4Runner. The off-roader that won't die. Body on frame, no turbo nonsense, and a 4.0-liter V6 that'll outlive your dog. 800,000-mile examples exist. 1. Toyota Sequoia. The champion. 11.4% of used Sequoias hit 300,000 miles, with 4% crossing 500,000. That 5.7-liter V8. Legendary. Drop a comment, which of these would you trust for a cross-country road trip? For car like, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense car truths.